6.3 million euro is the starting price.
Get down.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Another day, another video, another adventure. Today we are in Harbour Marina side in Dubai, and in this video we're gonna see this and this and this and this. But before that, let's make a tour and see what's going on here. Let's go. Okay guys, let's start with this Italian monster, the Evo R6. These yachts are different from anything you have seen before. It's the ultimate synthesis between form and function. The Evo R6 was designed to adapt to every moment of a day at sea, amplifying the onboard experience with the idea that fully meet the owner's personal needs. And the price for this yacht is about 2 million euro. Whoa, but guys, look at this one. This is the D50 Open from the Antonio Yacht. So guys, we're gonna visit this one.
Okay, so this is a Riva 100 feet. This comes from Italy.
Okay.
Riva is the Italian brand.
Yeah.
We produce it in La Spezia shipyard, where we produce boats from 76 feet up to 100 feet.
Wow. Is this the biggest one that you have?
No.
No.
We have already done. We have the 110 Dolce Vita, and we're gonna have in few months the first 130.
Okay.
Always produced in La Spezia.
Yeah.
Another Riva shipyard in Sarnico,
Yeah.
where we used to make the open boats. So the small boats up to 68 feet.
Okay.
This is 5 cabin. This is the
5 cabin.
yes. This
Okay.
is the owner cabin.
Wow.
Each cabin has the private toilet inside. We're going to the guest cabins. So these are all guest cabins, plus we have 2 cabins for the crew member. 4 double cabins.
Same.
Relax. Breathe easy.
That's amazing, and that's Riva. We used to call Riva the Ferrari of the sea.
Yeah.
Inside here we have the kitchen area. Yeah. Kitchen area. In this area you have the crew cabins connected to the kitchen area, of course. Okay. Upstairs we go to the control room. You have the possibility to pilot this boat from inside and from outside. As you can see, there is a sort of living room inside the control room, because actually this is maybe one of the favorite parts
Yeah, sure.
of the owner. So they really want to enjoy the experience of the room.
Yeah, sure.
Now I will show you how the space is really well organized on this boat.
Okay.
Because actually you don't have any empty space,
Yeah.
and you can walk this boat from the end out to the aft without any problem. Here you have the sun deck. So as you can see, we don't leave any space, like empty space. The only issue is to find one available. The waiting list is really hard nowadays. We have a few in Middle East. I saw in Bulgaria this morning, I saw one, there is another one. There is at least 3 at the Bulgaria. Yacht Club. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Actually, let's see that range is around 9,500,000.
Pound or the US dollar? Euro. Ah, euro. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Cheers, appreciate it. Okay guys, so this one is 9 million euro. That one. Okay guys, so this boat right here from San Lorenzo, it cost like 6 million euro.
So this is San Lorenzo SX88 model, which is 88 feet and it's 26.7 in meters. It accommodates 8 people with 4 bedrooms, and there is a 3 people crew on the boat. So welcome on board.
Thank you.
This is the place where if you have this boat and you're sailing, you will place here your small boat called dinghy or tender, and then the jet ski if you wish, and also sea boat. There is a crane that could help you to put the toys in the water, and there is a platform that's going down also for easy access. So here you can have a privacy from the inside, closing these dark windows and doors, and have here the, just the afternoon coffee or whatever you wish, your breakfast in the morning. Or you can go inside. So this is the most quiet place on the boat. When you park, this is the part of the boat that you are alone, nobody can bother you.
Yes.
The nice thing is this tent here, that you can have to be protected from the sun. Not right now, the angle of the sun is not the right one, but the price start for this boat SX88. The basic price is 6.3 million euro. But you see this boat exactly, it's customized and has additional technical even things on it, and made the price 7 million euro. So please come to the dining room.
Are we allowed to take photo or picture?
You are allowed to take photos. And you can see the panoramic windows here. Also very nice setup for the dining. There is the galley. The galley is the kitchen actually on the boat. You can have a look.
This is the galley.
Yeah, this is the galley. Equipped with all necessary for cooking. Oh, hello. Welcome to the bedrooms.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
So this is the VIP bedroom.
VVIP.
Or VVIP bedroom, where there you have a TV that is, put it down now, but this go up.
Okay.
And you have it. There is a bathroom, customized with marble.
Yeah.
And this is the owner's bedroom.
Okay.
The biggest one.
The biggest one. And the
There is a wardrobe room.
wow.
There is you can go and see how big is the bathroom.
Okay.
And what nice view you have.
Wow.
Yeah, separate toilet, shower, two.
Enjoy.
Yes. And very big TV. Made in a mirror way, so you don't see it actually when it's not turned on. So it's equipped with a lot of drawers. Here you can put many things, everything.
ببین اگه پیدا کردی سان لورنزو یا آره من رفتم
So here you have electrical windows, electrical pergola.
با هم صحبت
Here the captain is in charge of this.
باشه ببین باشه
You said the price of this one?
6.3 million euro is the starting price. But if you put additional equipment which is needed to stabilize the boat or for electricity making, it will go. This one exactly is 7 million. Yes.
7 million.
Yes. Euro.
Get down.
Okay, what we have here is a 1920s runabout inspired, but with a twist of modern design. Actually, the top deck was inspired by that surfboard over there. Okay. And that's where we took the technology to build it. How we do it, we handpick the little slates of wood, put them inside the mold, wrap them all up into a vacuum structure and infuse it with epoxy resin so that no air pockets are there. And the whole hull becomes a very solid, very tight structure. It's impossible to break.
This is
That's fiberglass. That's fiberglass. But over here, it's a sandwiched layer upon layer of fiberglass with the wood on top and epoxy resin. Now, the beautiful thing about it is that it costs exactly zero to operate. Because we only use electric motors. You can actually see here the structure of it.
okay.
You have the wood and then different layers of fiberglass, all infused by vacuum. So it becomes really solid. The beautiful thing about it is here.
You can okay.
Because-
This is the station, yeah.
Yeah, the motor has an 8-hour autonomy at cruise speed, okay? But the beautiful thing about it is that if you have the docking station that has a full array of batteries inside that are completely charged over one day in the sun, you just maneuver the boat into the docking station. As you arrive, you maneuver it inside, then this whole thing slides in so that you can walk in and walk out of the boat. You plug it in and it charges in under 2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah, 1.5 hours, it's charged. If you take the big one,
Okay.
you can pull skis and do quite a few stunts. If you want a quiet run around in a lake, you can take a smaller one. But it can go up to 25 knots with the big one, right?
Now let's talk about the real business. How much the price of this one?
It's not very expensive when you look at it, because the boat alone by itself at the top of the line with all the extras goes up to 125,000 euros. Euros. And the dock goes for 80k euros, so around $90,000. When you have the whole thing, operating the boat costs zero.
Sure. Let's go to Flybridge. Here is where you can find your home.
Yeah, I see.
Jacuzzi, bed, and a bar.
Wow.
Yes, a mini bar. We have here the barbecue. Underneath it is the fridge. We have also a water maker here. And a bunks. Yeah. All right. Yep. And as a captain, this is the best place for me.
For you?
Yes.
You're the captain now.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So we have 3 screens, Raymarine. We can see the full video of the boat, like the astern, where you entered, the engine room, the heart of the boat. We have all the equipments, the equipments that you needed. You can see and you can find it here. It's a boning system.
Yeah, so you can control everything from
Exactly. You can check your ACs, your lights, and engines. Yeah, and the other you can check your chart and everything. All right, we do have a MAN engine here, twin MAN engine.
That's good.
Yes. Yes. You're afraid at the sea, you can stay here. I told you it's like your home.
It's really like my home.
Yes.
In expensive way.
Exactly. Not that expensive if you had it. Yeah. Okay. Here is the in the cockpit. We used to have like a portable screen, but now it's a built-in. It's a built-in screen. We can lift this one up and down. Hydraulic system. Yeah. And here's the saloon, and over here the galley and a bar. So if you want a privacy as a chef, also not only a captain, we can lift this one up by using this. It's a hydraulic. There's a door that can be closed, and if you wanted to go out, there's a door also here. All right. In the galley, we have 2 big fridge, wine cooler, and the hobs. And also, as I said, we have in Flybridge, we do have also ice maker here. Yeah. At here, we have the boning control, the boning that just like airplane. This is what they are using.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So let's
Yes.
get
Sure.
just
Thank you. Here's the way going to the stateroom. Be careful.
yeah.
Yep. It's the master cabin here, where you will sleep. Of course, you're the master now. Yeah.
Oh, it's a huge, bro.
Exactly. A perfect size for you. Wow. Yeah. And you know what? This is the thing, what I like in this boat.
Yeah.
The carpet, not the carpet specifically. You know, we can adjust. We can make it hot, like.
No way.
Yes, exactly. If you feel exactly, this is what the room.
This is amazing.
Amazing.
Wow.
And yes, of course, the closets. Yeah, over there. Yes. Even the closet. Yeah, sorry. Even the floor of the bathroom. You can. Yes, exactly.
Wow.
Yes. Oh, wow. Amazing. Yeah. VIP and like the guest cabin. If you have more children, you can bring this one down, and 3 person can stay.
Can fit inside.
Yes, and yeah, three beds, and there 1 bed, but yes, a king size. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome, brother.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
6,550,000.
Yeah,
Okay, in US dollar, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Around like
Okay, great. Okay. Guys, it's 6,550,000 US dollar for that one, the princess. Hello.
You want to try the chocolate? We have
Okay.
they call mushroom chocolate. The shape is mushroom,
Okay.
but what's inside is cream hazelnut.
Wow.
Yes.
Hi. Can I get one? Okay, I know it's only for. Okay guys, أنا ما بيجينا فيها sombrero. That was our video for today. See you in the next one and cheers.
Get down.